Hello everyone, today we focus on heel slide. This exercises helps you activate your deep core muscle while keeping your pelvis stable. Now, lie on your back. Bend your knees, heels on the floor. Find a neutral position in your pelvis and relax your spine into the mat. Rest your arms by your sides. Inhale. As you exhale, engage your lower abdomen. Slowly slide one heel forward along the floor. Let the leg extend with control. Inhale as you slide heel back. Exhale. Slowly slide one heel forward along the floor. Keep your pelvis stable. Try not to shift from side to side. Inhale as you slide heel back. And relax. Repeat these exercises for 4 to 6 times on the same leg, then switch leg. Focus on starting the movement on your core, not just your leg. See you in the next video.